Hello everyone, it's Michelle Pepper here with Stamp with Michelle Pepper. It's a surprise pop-up today because my usual time slot, Facebook Live class to go, is at 1:30 on Wednesdays, but I actually have quite a short notice that my mama has 2 appointments today at the hospital, 2 different hospitals. So we've already done one this morning, or I've dropped her off there this morning at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I thought I was going to have 2 hours, so I came home and I thought I could prepare, but I just got a call to say that she's ready to be picked up at 10:30, so I'm going to have to, so timing wise is not going to work out today because her next appointment is at 2:15, so I will not be at home to do live at 1:30. So hence I thought I'll just quickly jump on now. I will be late picking her up, but I've already let them know, so hopefully that's fine. Thanks, Mama. Anyway, today's very exciting. It's the 1st of May. It's the new catalogue launching. This is our new catalogue, annual catalogue from May, from now till the end of April in 2025. So it's a pretty exciting day with lots of new products, lots of new ideas in here. So if you haven't got one of these, you haven't, and you don't have a demonstrator that you're shopping with, and you want one of these, just let me know, and I'm happy to send you a copy. And also, I wanted to also quickly let you know of this exciting offer that Stampin' Up is promoting for this month, for the month of May. If you join, when you join Stampin' Up, so what that means is you become a demonstrator. Do you have to demonstrate? No, but if you want to, please do. And but you can join as a bronze member, so you'll basically get all the supplies, Stampin' Up supplies for at a discounted rate, so you never have to pay full price for your Stampin' Up products. So that's a pretty good deal. But if you wanted to make a business opportunity out of it as well, you are most welcome to do it, and I will definitely want to try and support you in that. So so the more the merrier. Come join the team. But the exciting offer is, honestly, this is like just so generous of Stampin' Up, I reckon. So usual thing is you pay $189 and you get to pick any products from this catalog up to the value of $285, but you only pay $189 for it. So that's a significant special price, you know. So, and also the products will come to you, your starter kit will come to you as a free shipping, so you don't even have to pay something like, is it about $10.95 now, the shipping? So you don't even have to do that. Or actually, it's actually based on 6% of the order, or $10.95 flat fee for under $200, I think it is. But yeah, so all that. But in addition to that, in addition to that normal and usual starter kit price, you also get to have, wait for it, you get to have, let me just bring these over here, you get to have the paper pack. So a whole pack of, there will be 20 sheets, so there are 5 colors, so 4 sheets, A4 sheet of each color, so you get this for free at no additional cost in your starter kit. Wait, there's more. You get all the different ink pads. You get, you know, like, so there's the 3 new in colors. So if you're not aware, or just a reminder, at every new annual catalogue that comes out, we get introduced to 5 new in colors, and these would be trendy colors. So there are 5 of them in the family, and they will be around for 2 years. So we've just said goodbye to 5 colors that came out 2 years ago. So now these are the new in colors. So you get these for free in your starter kit, you know, plus the paper pack. And then wait, there's more. you also get these, which are the marker pens, also in the 5 colors. And then you get one more product, which I don't actually have, but it's basically 6x6 paper pack of the in colors. So it'll be, I mean, well, this is not a good one to show you, but you know, a 6x6 pack like that of 40 sheets of 6x6 paper in those in colors. So that's a pretty good deal. So that's like over $170 or $180 worth of products that you get in addition to your normal starter kit. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Yeah, so do let me know if you are keen, if you're considering, if you're going to buy heaps of stuff anyway, because let's face it, there is a lot of goodies in here. And so it's, yeah, I mean, even just one of these, the starter kit is a good time to get one of these, which is a cut and emboss machine. And I think using your starter kit, like buying that in your starter kit, if you don't already have one, that's a good deal, right? Because anyway, I want to get on with a little project, okay, to show you before I go, because I really have to get going. So I'll flip you around and just show you a quick project. So this is not the normal life to the class to go to do. So bear with me. I'll just get everything ready. Okay, where did it go? Okay. So this is not the normal class that I do. This is just impromptu, and I just wanted to make a quick project with you. So what we've got here. So this is what I do every year with the new in colors. I've got this template that I just kind of repeat it over and over again. Okay, so but they all look different because it's always different colors, right? So let me show you just a really basic white cardstock, the thick one, because we don't have many layers on this. And I basically get 5 of the in colors, right? So these will come, you know, the paper pack that I told you about, so you can use those. There are definitely 5 of those colors. These ones came from the Memories and More card, the Unbounded Beauty Memories and More card, which yeah, Unbounded Beauty. So I've already picked out a few things. Anyway, there's 4x6 cards, and then there's 3x4 cards. Anyway, I took some of them and cut them into these little sizes, which is 1.5 inch and is it 2 inch? Let me just have a look. See, so yeah, about 2 inch and about 1.5 inch. Yep, so not quite a square, but just those little pieces. And so you can get them here through the Memories and More card pack, or you can get it through the Unbounded Beauty 12x12 designer series paper as well. So there are all these papers that we could use in those new in colors. So basically this card is to introduce to you the those new colors. So we've got, what have we got? We've got Petunia. Oh my goodness, I don't know all my names yet. Petunia Pop. So we've got that one, Petunia Pop. And we've got Peach Pie, which is that. We've got Summer Splash, which is that. And a little bit of Shy Shamrock through there. So hence why I'll show you this. And then we've got Pretty in Pink. Alright, so we've got all these 4 colors. Now we don't have a clear Shy Shamrock one. So what I did was I got a piece of paper. We got the cardstock. And because it's Shy Shamrock, it's Shamrock. So what I did was I tried to do a Shamrock. What I did was I used this little heart shape from Filled with Fun. So this product is available online exclusive. So it won't be in the catalog, but you can find it online. And so, yeah, you can shop, you can place online order to get this, or you can just, you know, if you normally tell me what your order is, what you want, you can do the same. You just give me the number for it, or tell me that that's what you want, and I can just place that order for you. but otherwise you can place it online through my online shop. So yeah, so what I did was I just used a heart and stamped it in such a way to make like a shamrock. So that didn't turn out very well, but that one looked kind of like a shamrock. And then I just used a marker pen to do a little squiggly line. Okay, so that's how I made my own DSP for that one. So that's using that stamp set. Now I don't need these. Oh, these little gems, aren't these cute? So these are also in the also the new products. So all these colors also come with the gems. Okay, so we've got those. And simply all it is just putting these on. But first of all, I think what I want to do is stamp the word first. I'm nearly done. I'm nearly done. I'm sorry it has to be a whirlwind today. But it's a very exciting day. We've got our new products all coming or available now. So, okay, just grabbing. That probably didn't put this. Oh, that looked like it's not been clean. And this doesn't look very straight. Hang on. Let me just put it down here. Okay. Alright, that will do. And I'm just going to use Shy Shamrock because that's already open. Nice green colour. Ooh, and somehow I got ink on there. Let me just try and clear that off. Oh, it's all a bit rushy, but that's okay. Actually, yep, just making sure I got my card in the right way. Sending loads of happiness. Now, how cool is that? Yeah, so happy with that. So I can't do a live without some sort of crafting, right? So I just wanted to do a very quick one. And then all we need to do is put this on. And I will just kind of, what do I want? Does it matter what color? Oh, I don't want these two to go next to each other, do I? Or do I? Or do I want to spread them out a bit? I put that out here. So cute. Oh, I can't decide. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Which colorways would you do this? Well, I'll be sending you one of these packs with all the new catalogs that I've seen out. And so, yeah, I'll be interested to know how you would place these. Anyway, I'm just going to do this one. Because I can't overthink this. I just got to do this. And to me, it's always a safer bet if we don't try and do straight. And so, wonky donkey is pretty good. Actually, do I want to do that? I've already committed. No, maybe not. Do we do orange and pink together? Is that like a no-no for you? I'm actually okay with that. And then I'll do a green one, I think. We'll do a green one. Alright, so okay, how's that? And then we'll do this. Real quick and easy, eh? Oh, look at that. There's two patterns. Do I do mountain or valley? Well, I'm just doing it that way. And then finally we've got this colour. Okay. And there you go. How quick and easy was that? Just like that. Get a quick simple card. And and then we can jazz it up with some bubbles as well, some gems. Big one or small one? Maybe a mixture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then a final one, the peach. Do I want it there, or do I want it to go further up there? Okay, that will do. Actually, let me find. Yeah, so I'm just quite randomly putting them. Maybe. Quite happy with that. Shall I do more? I could do more. What shall I do? I could use them all up. It'd be a really yeah, maybe need to swap that around. Okay. So yeah, here you go. Just have a real it might be too much. I don't know. What do you think? Is it too much? They look like pimples. Maybe that's way too much. Okay, hang on. I'm just going to try and remove that. Okay, just put that one there for now. We don't have to use them all up. How about that? Yeah, I'll just leave it at that, and then it become more like a. It's not so pimply looking. Anyway, so there you go. So that's my nice, quick and easy card for today. So sorry about that if you had come. If you were looking forward to the 1:30 live, that's not happening today because I'll be driving around, driving Mum to her next appointment. Yeah, so my dad is here, but my dad is a little bit elderly and just not that confident now with driving. So I am the Uber driver for the appointments, unless I really can't do it. But yeah, so I hope you have a fantastic day. And that, yeah, so I hope you have a fantastic day and you get some time to look online if you haven't already got one of these catalogs, to be able to go online and just browse and look at all the new products that are coming or that are available now. And if you do have these, yeah, hopefully you've had some time to actually leaf through it and ooh and ah about it and have ideas of what you want to get. And if you don't have it, let me know so I can send you a copy along with a little card kit to make a card like that. Yes, okay, so that's it for me for today. I thank you very much for coming on, for supporting me, and I'll see you next week, hopefully at 1:30 on Wednesday. Bye.